Anak. How are you, nak? How are you? Sleepy? No? No, not sleepy. Anong gusto pala? Bakit umiiyak-iyak yan? Huh? Tired? No? Anong gusto? Oh, you're wearing blue. You're wearing blue today. Huh? Look. Nakoy. Hello. Hello. How are you, Nak? Huh? Kita duduk, oh. Kita duduk. Tago mo duduk, tago. Tago duduk. Hah? Tago duduk yang kita, mama kita. Kita duduknya. Tired na ikaw? Tired na? Dami lamok Diyan ka lang Ano? Hi, Nak! Nak! Ayo. Wala, burado na yung ilong mo, Nak. Oh. Tingin ako ba ilong, be? Tingin. Tingin ilong, be. Nandyan pa? Ay, nandyan pa nga. Nandyan pa ilong. Nandyan pa ilong, oh. Asan na ilong? Ha? Tired na, tired? Tired na ikaw? Tired na. Saan na ikaw? Sige. Tayo ka dyan, tayo. Higa na, higa. Oh, hold na kay. Okay, higa na. Higa na. Higa na. Ano, okay na. Ay, sleepy na yan. Oops. Don't scratch your eyes. Higa ka na. Sleep na ikaw. Sleep na. Antok na yan. Antok na yan. Ha? Ala, ang laki ng ilong, oh. Laki butas ilong, oh. Kitty. 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 Two little eyes that open and close, two little ears and one little nose, two little cheeks and one little chin, two little lips that the teeth goes in. You like song? You like? Two little eyes that open and close, two little ears and one little nose, two little cheeks and one little chin, two little lips that the teeth goes in. Ikaw nga, ikaw kanta. Ikaw naman. Kanta ka. Yun na, si mama naman makinig. Anong song? Anong song? Kanta na ikaw, kanta. Ganun. Sige, ikaw. Kanta na, kanta. Ay, bakit ganyan ang lips niyan? Huh? Kanta na, ikaw kanta. Two little eyes that open and close, two little ears and one little nose, two little cheeks and one little chin, two little lips that the teeth goes in. Ano pa? Five little ducks went out one day over the hills so far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out one day over the hills so far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out one day over the hills so far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Ikaw naman kanta. Sige na, ikaw naman kumanta. Mama naman makinig. Wala ka na sa unan mo eh. Laglag ka na naman oh. Hindi ikaw sa unan mo, iga? Ayaw mo? Ano pa kanta natin? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O, with a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Bravo, Mama! Mama ko makanta, hindi ikaw eh. Na? Bravo, Mama eh. Bravo, Mama. Kinig naman ikaw na. Practice ikaw na. Kinig yan na para sa sunod ikaw na makakanta kay Mama, ha? Okay? Okay? Say okay, Mama. Okay po, Mama. Love you. Ay. Ano? Hindi ka pa sleepy? Hindi pa? Bakit nananahimik? Ay mo kausapin si Mama. Ha? Bakit hindi nakikipag-usap kay Mama? Bakit na tameme? Bakit tameme na ang baby ko? Ha? Bakit? Sagot. Bakit naman yan? Tameme ng baby yan. Kanina dal-dal-dal-dal yan. Ha? Dal-dal-dal-dal yan kanina yung baby yan. Kulit yan. Oo nga. Diba dal-dal-dal-dal yan? Ha? Wala na ikaw sa mo? Di naantok na yan? Kasi nakaligo na? Ha? Antok na? Hindi pa? Hindi pa? Hindi pa? Love you. Love you, nak-nak. Love you, Papa. Saan, Papa? Saan? Yung Papa, oh. Picture, Papa, oh. Saan, Papa? Saan? Saan, Papa? Saan? Papa. Bye, Papa, yan. Say hi to Papa. Hi, Papa. Hi, hi, Papa. Hi, Papa, hi. Sleepy na ako, Papa. Sleepy na ako. Okay. Sleepy na. Bye-bye, Papa.